One of the biggest mistakes I see with tile, LVP, laminate, and hardwood floors has nothing to do with the flooring itself. It's the floor underneath it. Many homeowners assume a floor needs to be perfectly level. In reality, most flooring manufacturers are more concerned with the floor being flat. When floors have high spots and low spots, problems start showing up later. With LVP, laminate, and hardwood, you can see gapping, movement, hollow sounds, and locking joint failures. With tile, installers sometimes try to make up for low spots by using extra thinset. But thinset isn't designed to be a floor leveling product. Excessive buildup can create its own problems. Large format tile installations often require very flat substrates, sometimes around 1/8 inch and 10 feet, depending on the tile and manufacturer requirements. Every flooring product has its own flatness requirements, which is why checking the manufacturer's instructions is so important. One thing I hear all the time is that nobody wants to spend money flattening a floor. But in many cases, you either pay for proper preparation now, or you pay for repairs later. Beautiful floors start with what you don't see. Preparation is what makes flooring last.